Today I'm going to talk to you about the Handi Quilter bobbin winder. Each of our HQ machines come with a standalone bobbin winder. Today we'll show you how to thread and wind a bobbin correctly. Begin by placing your cone of thread on the spool pin. Guide the thread up through the thread mast, through the front hole of the thread hole guide, from the front to the back. Wrap the thread around the tension disc, making sure that the thread is flossed into the disc. Bring your thread over and under the bobbin and wrap it around a few times and push the start button, and you're winding your bobbin. When using the Handi Quilter bobbin winder, we have a variable speed adjustment. If you're using delicate threads, you need to wind your bobbins more slowly, and with our adjustable bobbin winder, you're able to do that. We can go really slow for really delicate threads, or faster for regular thread. If you find that your thread is winding too tightly on your bobbin, you can adjust your bobbin tension by loosening this adjustable screw back here. If your thread is winding too loosely, you need to tighten the tension disc screw. If you find your bobbin is not winding smoothly back and forth on the bobbin, you can adjust this screw right here. Loosen the screw and you can slide this plate back and forth to adjust the way the bobbin winds. If the amount of thread that is winding on your bobbin is incorrect, you can adjust the amount of thread winding by adjusting this screw here. If you need less thread on your bobbin, loosen this screw and it will raise this arm up so that you will get less thread on your bobbin. If you need more thread on your bobbin, tighten this screw, causing this arm to drop down so that you will get more thread on your bobbin. If your bobbin does not slide properly onto the prongs, there are some adjustments that you can make to the prongs here. If your bobbin is too loose and just spinning as you are winding your bobbin, you can gently put a screwdriver between these two prongs and very, very gently separate it apart. If your bobbin is too hard to put on, you can very gently tighten those two prongs with a pair of pliers, being careful that you don't loosen it too much or tighten it too much so that you break the prongs. There is only one spot that you need to oil on your bobbin winder. The location is right here. Use the same oil that came with your Handi Quilter machine and place a drop or two of oil in there occasionally.